Fucking hell. Mae'n dwym.
Hey, that's Big Willie.
Hi Jonis, fi di Ffraid a dyn ni yng Caernarfon heddiw ac am change, dyn ni'n mynd i siarad am sex. Dych chi eisiau siarad efo ni am sex am chydig? Gai ofyn de, sut oedd addysg criw, sex education yn ysgol i chdi? Be oeddech chi'n ddysgu adeg yna?
And the day that we did sex education, it was a right letdown. They wheeled in a television and we watched a video of a couple kissing and then a lady giving birth.
Quite boring, actually, os dwi'n cofio fan iawn.
Ti'n meddwl oedden nhw'n cyfro pethau oedd angen i cyfro?
Na, dwi'n meddwl dim lot o be mae pobl ifanc yn actually mynd trwy wan, na. Dwi'n nhw'n cwilydd wedyn i fynd a gofyn am y helpu ni.
Pan dyn ni'n siarad am pethau fatha porn o felly wan, ia? Fysa chdi'n dweud bod porn nowadays, achos bod o mor accessible ar internet o felly, fysa chdi'n dweud bod o'n spoilio y sort of yr ideal i bobl ifanc. Oeddech chdi'n watch a porn yn 14, lle? Magazines yn cyfri fyd.
Olen gwasio magazines, but man, it's a saith oed.
All the kids is jerk-off kids, man. But in these times, all the kids just going on the internet and they're just Googling and saying, you know what, today I want to see a horse and a monkey shagging. At the end of the day, they got too much exposure to all this nasty filth.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'n peth dda, bod yn oes o'ch de. Mae pawb yn gwachio porn yndi. So, dwi'n wedi gidiad amdani pobl ifanc ma. Yna peth iach.
Mewn survey oedd yn trio ffindio allan faint o bobl yn watcha porn, nath a 70% o ddynion dweud bod nhw'n watcha porn, a mond 33% o genod, neu at least mond 33% o genod nath gyfadda. Gwir neu gau, ydy traed mawr yn golygu coc mawr?
Na, false. I'd go to false.
Swn i fel bod o?
Ti'n meddwl bod o? Best ar be?
It's very true.
It's very true. He's a size 12 feet.
No, it's not true. It's not
for
true.
everyone.
Small and thin will go right in. Short and thick will do this right.
Iawn, dydy seis eich traed chi ddim byd i wneud efo seis eich coc chi. Yr unig beth sy'n dylanwadu'r seis dy goc di ydy genetics di. Ti'n mynd sylwi faint o blant o gwmpas le tan ti'n fo coc yn dy law, nag oes? Os di dynas yn cael PP ar ôl sex, mae'n stopio hi rhag mynd y feichiog.
Rubbish.
Mae'n reaction i nhw mynd i toilet ar ôl yna, ar ôl chdi llenwi nhw.
Llenwi nhw. Mae hynna'n utter bullshit, however, mae o'n bosib i bacteria ddifynnu urethra dynas yn ystod sex, a mae hwnna'n gallu arwain at bethau fatha urine infections a thrush. Felly mae yna rei pobl yn argymell bod chi yn mynd i toilet ac yn cael PP ar ôl sex.
It's very hard, man. Suppose a man can't buy a pack of condoms. He can only buy one. He can't buy a box. He just want one.
You know you can go to GUM clinics to get condoms.
Yeah,
There's the nearest one to here is Bangor.
Yeah, but the nearest one is to Bangor and they want a shag in Caernarfon. So tell me about that. And so,
Fel rhywun sy'n dod o dre, dwi'n actually really proud o rei o'r progressive views dyn ni wedi gael am sex ed, a porn, a sex in general heddiw yma. Felly, epithecol fi am i boes bach.